You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these cells. If you want to learn more names from biology, science, medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced as leucocytes, also known as the defense cells in your bloodstream. Leucocytes. That's the plural. One leukocyte, several leukocytes. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, leucocytes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.